Hello, my friend. Welcome.
Welcome. We are very happy you are here.
Today, we talk about English for phone call conversations.
Yes, phone calls can feel scary.
Many people feel nervous.
Maybe you think, I cannot see the face.
Or you think, what if I do not understand?
This lesson is for you.
We go very slow.
We use very simple English.
You will feel calm.
You will feel strong.
You can do this. Let us start with a real-life problem.
Imagine this.
Your phone rings.
Ring ring.
Your heart goes fast.
You look at the phone.
You think, oh no, English.
You do not answer.
Or you answer and feel lost.
This happens to many people.
You are not alone.
Today, we help you answer the phone with confidence.
Step by step.
Slow and easy.
First, a friendly welcome.
Hello, and thank you for listening.
We are Emily and Paul.
We are your English friends.
We will speak slowly.
Please relax.
You do not need to be perfect.
You only need to try.
We promise to help you speak on the phone.
Real phone English.
Simple phone English. Now, let us start with the first words.
When the phone rings, you answer.
The most common word is hello.
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 Please say it with us.
Repeat after me.
Hello.
Good.
Again.
Hello.
Very good. Now, sometimes we add more words.
We can say, hello, this is Emily.
This is means I am.
This is very common on the phone.
Repeat after me.
Hello, this is Emily.
Again.
Hello, this is Emily.
Good.
You can also say your name.
Hello, this is Paul.
Try it with your name.
Say, hello, this is, and your name.
Please try now.
Take your time.
You are doing well. Now, sometimes you answer for work.
Or for home.
You can say, hello, how can I help you?
This is very polite.
It means, what do you need?
Repeat after me.
Hello, how can I help you?
Again.
Hello, how can I help you?
Nice.
Let us slow down and repeat.
Hello.
Hello, this is Emily.
Hello. How can I help you?
These are very important.
We repeat them many times.
Repetition helps memory.
Memory helps confidence.
Now, let us talk about listening.
On the phone, listening is very important.
You cannot see the face.
You only hear the voice.
Sometimes the voice is fast.
Sometimes the sound is bad.
It is okay to ask again.
This is very important.
You can say, sorry?
Sorry?
This means, please say again.
Repeat after me.
Sorry?
Again.
Sorry?
Very good.
You can also say, can you say that again?
This is polite and clear.
Repeat after me.
Can you say that again?
Again.
Can you say that again?
Very good. Another helpful sentence is, please speak slowly.
This is very helpful.
Repeat after me.
Please speak slowly.
Again.
Please speak slowly.
Remember this.
Not this. Stay quiet and feel lost.
But this. Ask for help.
Asking is good.
Asking is strong.
You can do this.
Now, let us practice a small phone talk.
I will call you.
Ring ring.
Hello.
Hello, this is Emily.
Hi, Emily. This is Paul.
Nice to hear you.
Nice to hear you too.
Very simple.
Now, let's add one more part.
On the phone, we often ask, who is calling?
You can say, may I ask who is calling?
This is polite.
Repeat after me.
May I ask who is calling?
Again.
May I ask who is calling?
Good.
You can also say it shorter.
Who is calling, please?
Repeat after me.
Who is calling, please?
Again.
Who is calling, please?
Now, let us talk about reasons.
Why do people call?
Many reasons.
Work.
family,
friends,
appointments.
orders.
So we ask, what is the call about?
Repeat after me.
What is the call about?
Again.
What is the call about? Very good.
Now, let us practice again.
Ring, ring.
Hello, this is Paul.
Hello, this is Emily.
What is the call about?
I have a question.
Okay.
Very simple.
Yes.
Now, guided practice time.
Please repeat after us.
Hello.
Hello, this is...
Hello, how can I help you?
Sorry?
Can you say that again?
Please speak slowly.
May I ask who is calling?
What is the call about?
Great job.
You are learning real English.
Now, we move to a longer, real-life talk.
Listen first.
Then we repeat.
Ready.
Ring, ring.
Hello, this is Green Store.
Hello, this is Emily.
How can I help you?
I have a question about my order.
Sorry?
I have a question about my order.
Can you say that again, please?
Yes, I have a question about my order.
Okay. Please speak slowly.
Yes, my order is late.
I understand.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Now, let us look at this slowly.
We use the same words again.
Hello,
This is...
how can I help you?
Sorry?
Can you say that again?
Please speak slowly.
These words repeat again and again.
Phone English is like this.
Now, let us talk about mistakes.
Many beginners make the same mistakes.
Mistake 1.
They say nothing.
They feel scared.
Not this.
But this.
Say, sorry?
Ask again.
This is good English.
Mistake 2.
They speak too fast.
They try to be perfect.
Not this.
But this.
Speak slow.
Simple words are okay. Mistake 3.
They say yes when they do not understand.
This can be a problem.
Not this.
But this.
Say, can you say that again?
This helps you. Let us correct together.
Repeat after me.
Sorry?
Can you say that again?
Please speak slowly.
Very good.
Now, more practice.
Imagine a friend calls you.
Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hello, this is...
Hi, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Nice.
Simple and kind. You see,
Phone English is not hard.
it is small steps.
One word at a time.
We repeat again. Let us do a full recap.
Repeat with us.
Hello.
Hello, this is...
Hello, how can I help you?
Who is calling, please?
What is the call about?
Sorry?
Can you say that again?
Please speak slowly.
Very good. These words help you every day.
At work?
At home,
With friends?
with shops.
With offices?
Now, a little memory help.
Think of 3 steps.
First, say hello.
Second, ask or listen.
Third, ask again if needed.
Easy to remember.
Hello, ask again.
You can remember this.
Now, let us do one last long talk.
Listen and feel calm.
Ring, ring.
Hello, this is Paul.
Hello, this is Emily. How can I help you?
I'm calling about my appointment.
Sorry?
I'm calling about my appointment.
Can you say that again, please?
Yes, I'm calling about my appointment.
Okay, please speak slowly.
My appointment is tomorrow.
I understand. Thank you.
Thank you.
You are welcome. That's real phone English.
Simple.
Calm.
Friendly.
Now, we want to talk to you.
Yes, you.
You are learning.
You are brave.
Phone calls will feel easier.
Not today only.
Every day.
Remember,
You do not need big words.
you do not need fast speech
You need clear words.
and courage.
You already have it.
Thank you for learning with us.
We are proud of you.
Keep practicing.
Say the words again today.
Hello.
Sorry.
Please speak slowly.
You can do this.
See you next time.
Goodbye.